Here's the front of the place. Now there's hotels like all around me. That's another one. Another one there. Another one there, I think. So they're all over, but this is the one I stayed at. Pretty decent, I think. I'm pretty happy with how it's been. But I want to show the front of it, and this, I don't know if this will go first or last. This definitely will not be shown in the video in order. But I've been pretty happy with this, but I'll do a full review talking about it at the end, but just doing a quick showing you everything. I don't even want to buy any treats. They have a little store there. I think it's a good amenity. Okay. It's like a little conference center. Here's some of the stuff for sale if you want to buy some.
Oh, I see.
Okay, you guys don't know when I do this what I mean?
I did.
Okay.
I did, yes.
Pretty decent. Just want to show the front quickly. Gonna give you a quick room tour. Now I've already been here for I don't know about 3 days. I didn't think to do it sooner. I would show you when it was fully fresh. But I've been out all day and they redid the room, so this gives you an idea what it looked like when we first came. First, here in the bathroom, they give you, I think this is for your hands, and they smell really good. And then body soap. And then in here, if you pull it out, there's a shower cap. And look, citrus shampoo, citrus conditioner, citrus body lotion, really nice. When we first came here, they had the towels like in a special format. It's more generic now. Walk-in tower. This is a handicap accessible room. That's why we had the walk-in shower. And when they had fresh toilet paper, they did like a special curvy thing when we first came here, but they didn't do it this time. But here's what the room looks like. I've been told it's kind of smaller than others that have been like this, but I mean, I think it's pretty big. You got the 2 beds. Normally we have four pillows, but they've been moved around a little bit. And she had to put them back exactly how they were when we came here. Then you had to have a big round curvy thing. The chair is usually not here, but I'm here with my mom and she wasn't comfortable sleeping in bed, so she had to get a chair, and that's all they had, so she's been using that. They, of course, the bucket, put ice in. They have like a little Keurig machine, complimentary coffee. These, though, goes with it. They put a couple tea bags, of course, coffee cups, cups for cold drinks. And then got a refrigerator, microwave, bigger TV, of course closet, which it's a little messy right now, but has an iron board in there and iron. Oh, and in the bathroom it has a hair dryer. I forgot to point it out, it was in that black bag, you've probably seen it. Of course, your air conditioner or heater, wherever you want it to be. Got a good view of the mountains. But that's generally it. I mean, quick little like room tour. I wasn't going to be doing a, of course you have the phone and stuff and the brochures and things, but, and they give you complimentary newspapers. I wasn't going to do the review of this place. So I'm here for a funeral, which I'm probably already going to be mentioning in this video. Actually, first part of this review I'm filming for this review of this hotel is the room tour. I still have a lot more stuff to film, but I won't mention that now. This is concentrating on this, but like I said, I wasn't going to do this at first. But I've been kind of advised to keep busy, so that's what I'm doing. But this is like a brief little tour of the room, and I'm assuming most of them are probably like this. But the beds were kind of uncomfortable at first because I'm not used to them being so high, and it was kind of harder. But after the first day, you know, it's pretty comfortable now. I got used to it. And you give you these pillows that actually turn out into a blanket too, which I think is cool. But okay, just a quick little walk through the room. And I'll do all the other stuff hopefully in this video and so you get a complete picture of this Best Western that I stayed at. Alrighty, thank you for watching. Hope everyone has a nice day. Bye everybody, bye. And if I miss anything, I'll just add it to this video. Alright, bye. Onward, upward to the next part. Some different breads and English muffin and bagels. Toasting here. It's pretty cool. Of course, Nutella and jelly and jams and everything, butter. Tasty bacon today, but they alternate that between that and sausage patties. Today just happens to be the bacon. Of course, eggs, and looks like they had those hash browns today. And sometimes they have biscuits in there. Looks like they have the red sauce that you put on the eggs today, but they alternate that between sausage gravy. And this machine makes you pancakes. It's pretty cool. And of course you can get oatmeal, some different toppings, and then you can make yourself a yogurt cup, different toppings. And they have a self-serve thing here. Fruit.
Morning.
Morning. Looks like some yogurt stuff. They have a couple other kinds of fruit, but they're kind of close to the end of the breakfast, so there's not too much out right now. And then cream cheese. And of course, cereal. Different kinds. Of course, some sweet stuff. And fruit. Of course, coffee, decaf, and hot water. Different kinds of teas. And all the stuff you need for that. Hot cocoa if you want it. There is the buffet from afar, and it's free every morning from 6:30 to 9:30. And a pretty big seating area for it. It's right now off next to the entrance, and they have free, like, they had lemon water for a few days now. That right there has pineapple and rosemary in it. It's really good. You can get that all night if you want, all day. And of course, they have coffee and tea, hot water all night and all day too. Okay. Here's their exercise room. They have TV, fan, towels if you need it, some exercise equipment, you get some water.
As of right now, they'd be in the playoffs. Full disclosure, I picked the Cowboys to represent.
I don't know if they have more than one on a different floor or not. This is all on the bottom floor. This is where I was staying. But this is their exercise room.
You know why? Because the NFL season is the ebb and flows. 1 week.
Oh, and they have the hand wipes too. The hand wipes right here are pretty good to use. I want to point that out. Okay. Now, with regard to vending machines, Pop is the only ones I've been told that they have. Since they have that little store thing in the front, they don't have any that sells any like snacks. So they only have Pop vending machines. Here's the ice. And then the pool, let me show you that. Just gotta get the card out. So there's no one in there, so I can go in there right now with you. All of this in the exercise room was right there. So I just showed you guys. There's the pool. Tried it once myself. Pretty good. Of course, hot tub. I can turn this on for a minute. comfortable. But there that is. The pool itself, this is open to, I think it's like 6 or 7 in the morning to midnight. This part's supposed to close at 10 p.m. Just to let you know. But I've come in here later and there's been no one in here. So it's definitely a good place to come and relax. Okay, that's cool. Now they have laundry services from the second floor and the fourth floor. I'm on the second floor one, and they have their ice machine here. I don't see a place where you could buy laundry detergent. They must have it. Maybe, probably. Yeah, okay. Laundry detergent and softener for purchase at front desk. Okay, good. And I think it costs like $1.50 to run it once. And it only takes quarters. And the one on the second floor is just basically right off down from the elevator. Oh, this is what a typical hallway looks like here. So that you know, the elevator's right there. Oh, and I forgot to mention the exercise fitness place, that's open 24 hours. You can go 24 hours to exercise. I want to show you, this is cool, and I know they have this with the elevator. They have a door that can close in front of it if you want to, for maybe to make it more relaxing looking or something. I don't know, but I never seen it like that. It's kind of odd, but cool. By the front door, that's where you get the complimentary newspapers. USA Today and then a local Colorado one. Definitely a good view from the foyer from up here. And they have a front deck that you can go on. Of course, a nice comfy couch to sit in here if you want. This is the first time I've been out here. And it's called the Serenity Deck. There's the hours for it. Get a good view of the mountains, which it is not open right now. Winter, 10 a.m. Okay, it opens at 10 a.m. That's why. And it's 9 something now. But you get a good look of it from here. You see all the mountains in the distance. See, definitely get a good view. Can't see it from here. It's over there. You can see where NORAD is. Okay. Pretty good view.